ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को जानने के लिए अभी टाइप करें A1 News TV।
Hello, you are watching A1 News TV and I am Megha. Let's have a look on our special story.
Recently, Management Education and Research Institute, affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, organized an International Semantic Intelligence Conference 2021 along with the National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra and University of Lübeck, Germany. It served as a platform for artificial intelligence, machine learning and semantic web communities. The conference commenced with an inauguration ceremony in the esteemed presence of Chief Guest Professor Dr. A.K. Saini, Dean, USMS GGSIPU, Guest of Honor Dr. Sarika Jain, NIT Kurukshetra, Professor I.P. Agrawal, Chairman, Mary Group of Institutions, Professor Lalit Agrawal, Vice President, Mary Group of Institutions, and Professor S.K. Agrawal, CEO, Mary Group of Institutions. Professor Dr. Lalit Agrawal highlighted semantic intelligence and challenges, including the presence of 5,500 spoken languages and translating them via computer or any other artificial intelligence. The deliberation of Professor Dr. A.K. Saini became the highlight of the event, wherein he discussed about the challenges of connectivity and human virtual presence owing to the pandemic. Dr. Sarika Jain appreciated the initiative as a venue for upcoming researchers to work upon artificial intelligence. Professor I.P. Agrawal enlightened the guest, emphasizing upon the applications of semantic intelligence and business semantic management to solve the problems. Keynote speaker Dr. Sevin Grob, University of Lübeck, Germany, spoke about the emerging hardware for databases with focus on semantic web and semantic hybrid multimodal. Dr. Arpan Kumarkar, Department of Management Studies, IIT Delhi, furthered the event with his invited talk on building with big data device research through an editorial perspective. Additionally, Dr. Robert Garcia, University in Libya, Spain, highlighted semantic web and uses task in his invited talk. Lastly, Professor Dr. Sanjay Mishra, Department of Computer Engineering, emphasized upon the 17 Sustainable Development Goals and ways to attain them in the invited talk. The event concluded with 3 parallel sessions discussing application and deployment track and trends and perspectives.
I think the theme which has been chosen for this conference is a very, very meaningful and relevant in the current time, because we are looking at not the data but the meaningful data. So that basically the semantics is going to focus upon the kind of technologies which are going to be available to us. That is going to be discussed by different researchers. That is going to be one of the takeaway for the students as well as the participants coming from different countries. I think I've been informed that about 40 plus countries are participating. And apart from that, this being a hybrid event, because of the pandemic situation, people are not allowed to travel and all that. So this is going to provide that good opportunity to connect with those people who are not able to travel. Still they can participate and take advantage of this kind of an event.
I'm Dr. Deepshikha Kalra, Acting Dean MERI.
I'm Ritu Agrawal, Professor Ritu Agrawal, heading the IT department in Mary College.
We have organized this international conference, which has attracted more than 200 participants throughout the world. There are almost 14 countries which are participating in this event, and we'll be talking about semantic intelligence, machine learning, data science, data analytics. There are 3 keynote speakers for this conference. They are Dr. Sven Grob from Germany, Dr. George from UK, and Dr. Richard Thibault from USA.
We have made this event live on YouTube and Facebook also, so the students can join through that also. Because of this situation, everyone cannot come to this venue, so we have made this event live also, so everyone can get motivated and get the knowledge from it.
Yeah, the event is basically on semantic intelligence, which talks about that in today's world we are searching a lot of things on Google, we are searching a lot of things on social media. So semantics is about interpreting it rightly. Like if I type a word Jaguar and if I say Jaguar car, it shows me a picture of Jaguar car only. It does not show me the animal Jaguar. That's what semantic intelligence we are talking about.
That's all for now. Thank you for watching. For more updates, keep on A1 News TV.
ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को जानने के लिए अभी टाइप करें A1 News TV।